What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, people?
Do what it do.
Welcome to Late Night Leverage. It's what, Tuesday, October 14th. And man, we got some. We had a whole weekend where Friday brought some drama. The weekend had a little bit of drama. So we're going to talk about that tonight, of course. And we'll talk about the bounce back we seeing this far. Or this week so far. We got earnings season kickoff this week. We had our first round of earnings this morning. So yeah, man, we got a good show for y'all tonight, man. We got a good show for y'all tonight. We got a few things to catch up on. So with that being said, man, as y'all tap into the show, make sure you drop a comment, make sure you press the like button, share all that good stuff. Yeah, so Dre just pulled up. Yeah, man. So how was your trading day, Quadree? Actually, well, first you posted what, 2 payouts or was it one? Or was it two? It was two, right?
Yeah, payout yesterday, payout today.
Oh no, you
hear me?
Oh, okay. So you had two. Yeah, I heard you now. So you had two accounts with them.
Yeah, so
okay,
I had
so you just
yesterday, payout today. Yeah, so I just locked into my my trading style. And then now, I'm trying to make this a thing every week.
Yeah.
I've had 9 payouts this year so far.
There you go.
Okay.
Let's go, bro. That's
what's up. I'm trying to do it once.
Working. Once a month. I feel it. How many? Go ahead. What you about to say?
Nah, the market overall today, I caught the shorts in the beginning, the open, and I caught the longs. Yes, I caught the longs in Asia last night too.
So, let's go.
Yeah, so
boy on fire,
right? Ain't he?
Yeah. Let's go. That's what I like to hear.
What's popping on your end, Dre? How was vacation?
Vacation was amazing, bro. Too freaking short.
Always.
Right?
Always.
Did not want to come back, bro. I don't.
I know that's right.
The girls have fun. They enjoy the birthdays.
Yeah.
To the grind, man. You already know.
To the grind. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. How was your trading day today?
Man, a little mad at myself because I caught well, first of all, I caught the short last night. And they hit target, but I didn't know it was gonna go 400 points more.
And, well, on the short or
last night.
Okay.
Yeah, that my target was.
I woke up. Yeah, I woke up and I was like, "Damn, we having a big ass gap down."
Yeah. And then I got the reversal this morning on the market open. But I didn't hold that thing to what he did, bro. I was not there.
Yeah, no, we gonna talk about it because I think that reversal caught a lot of people off guard.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And so yeah, like I was telling Quadree, man, I just been slow rolling it. I had a decent day. Mainly, I didn't trade till this morning. I caught mostly scalped the longs because, like you said, really the start of the day was RTY, and once that thing started going, I didn't just want to jump in, but it pumped all day. I should have
yeah,
that thing was going crazy. So, but no, I caught a few little quick longs, made mine, and then I was out of there. Went ahead and shut it down half of the day. So,
good thing.
But yeah, man. All right, so let's rewind and catch up with the people as to what's been happening. So let me take this off my chart real quick and let's go to a daily. And so let's talk about Friday. Friday, bruh. What in the world, dog? Like everything was going smooth. Everything was, oh man, yeah, here we go. Everything was just, we was moving and grooving. And at 11 o'clock, Trump tweeted,
Shit.
some hostilities with China. Oh my God. What the fuck? Give me a second.
By the way, bro,
This
I hit
This
TP.
joint has been pissing me off because it's been free.
You hit TP already, bro?
Yeah,
Oh, you went long?
TP right now. Yes, sir.
Shit, it's already up 53 points.
Oh yeah, this is not a slow market,
It's moving
guys.
and grooving.
This is moving for sure.
Oh no, not no. Yeah, volatility is high.
Oh yeah, we lit.
Volatility is back. All right, so we can see. All right, let me zoom in a little bit. We can see some of it, bro. Why won't it let me move my damn screen over, bro?
I could go on mute real quick. My daughter's wild right now. They gotta watch this show before bed.
Trying to get my screen right, man. Shit won't let me. All right, we can see that. Let me zoom in. There we go. Now I can move this bad boy. Okay. All right. So Friday, fellas. Friday. The market sold off, man.
Yeah.
Trump tweeted, and from after that tweet, it was a cascade of issues, man. I mean, Jay said negative gamma environment accelerated the move. Absolutely, man. I think, but it was, to me, it was a combination. I mean, it was a Friday, people were profit taking. You probably didn't have people want to hold positions over the weekend because they didn't know what was going to happen. Then you had people probably piling into shorts. You had the gamma effect. So at the end of the day, all of it, you needed a pullback. Everybody been waiting for a pullback. It was just a compound of issues. But yeah, you can see Friday we sold off 227 points, basically 3% in a day on the ES. The NQ was down 4% in a day. 4% in a day. You had the Dow, which was down 2.5%, basically 1,100 points. And then you even had the Russell go down 4% in a day. So, those were some pretty big pullbacks, man. It just so happened that it happened in one day. And, just as fast as all that drama went down, by the weekend, he flipped and they both softened their stance. And as you can see, we done gapped up. Market been rallying or, kind of fighting back these past couple of days. And so that leads us into this bounce back, that we seeing this week. So before we go into this bounce back, I think, one of the things that I was seeing over this weekend when everybody was going back and forth, talking about if it was a market crash or whatever, and we talked about this, is that I felt like the main question everybody was trying to answer was, did the market just top, or is this just a routine pullback? So with that being said, I wanted to get you guys' thoughts on Friday and this bounce back and where you kind of see, how y'all feeling about October.
You want to go first, Trey?
You go ahead, because
I got
there's a yeah.
So you said how I feel about October?
Yeah, I mean, just Friday to bounce back, and
Like
then
I
what you
I
seeing for the
tweeted
rest of the month.
I tweet early. I'm in beer season right now. I feel like that move was a very strong move, along with us being a negative gamma. Um, what really did it for me, it was over the weekend when I seen Bitcoin. That joint was dropping, bro, and that structure don't even look right. And I use that for me, and I think we use it too as a risk on, risk off indicator. Now I'm still bullish, of course, but right now temporary. I feel like we've been talking about this pullback the last 3 months. We enjoyed the ride up. Now just trying to protect yourself until we get that deal or this ease up. So I think October is just going to be down October for right now, and just enjoying the ride.
Yeah, I I agree with you, Quadree. Too. I'm in the solar remote right now. So
So the red.
usually, yeah, I'm in that camp. Um, Usually when we get volatility increase, it comes with some sort of pullback. Um, Not
Mm-hmm.
like I'm not looking for no crazy crazy downside
Bro,
move.
you
I'm
said you was
looking
looking
like
for the quarterly lows. That's crazy. I just got to put that
it,
out there.
it can
You talking
come.
about that's 8%, bro. That's you trying to
That's
get, and
fine.
that's gonna have to happen in this month alone because November, December is slated to be bullish. So if you getting them quarterly lows, it needs to happen ASAP.
They can happen. Well, you saw it happen one day. You drop.
I don't know, bro. You know you need justifications. It can happen, but what's the justifications to get you down there?
Mm, it's a lot going on under the hood right now that I feel like can happen. You know, momentum slowing is one, and this we got no data, man. I don't know. We got no data to even do nothing. Like what power is
That's
gonna
what I'm
stay?
saying. That's why I'm like, how are we gonna make a big drop with no data? If you ain't got no data, that's not necessarily bullish, but it ain't ultra bearish either, though.
Yeah, but like today there was not a lot of players on the market like that, and we were moving ridiculous. So
Mhm.
I'm not. I don't. It's weird. Like for me, it's weird because I like my data, so I don't got it. I can react from it. So I just gotta wait what this guy's gonna say and
Yeah.
how he's gonna justify
Oh,
this stuff. You
yeah.
know, but hey, it could go. It could go. I'm just saying, like I could. My mind right now, I want to see some Corey lows. Let's see if we get them though.
Whew. Boy, That's how that remind me of your Ethereum call to 2,500, bro.
Well, yeah, it didn't
That's a
come.
stretch. I don't know, man. Listen, because of the reason for the sell-off with Trump tweeting, like I've been telling everybody, I'm just gonna stick to the key levels. Are we below the monthly 50% yet? If not, then I'm still in buy the dip mode. If we get below that level, okay, I'll adjust. And then if we talking something deeper, it's got to get below the quarterly 50% level. If it's not, if the market ain't below neither one of those levels, then I think this is all just a temporary shakeout before we move higher. Uh, I think and I'm just keeping it that simple. And then I'm watching the VIX. That's it. If the VIX can't sustain above 20, I think it crashed. I think it went below. It might have shot back up before the close when he tweeted about the fucking oil, the cooking oil. But yeah, like if the VIX can't sustain, above 20 and get to higher levels, then bruh, that's it. That's it. That's it. So for me,
Yeah.
that's I don't I'm blocking out all the noise. I don't care what Trump say. Now, What I will say is Jay Powell talked today, and he did give some crucial information that I think a lot of people probably missed out on. Number one, he definitely leaning there. So a question I had was, how would the Fed be leaning without data? What was going to be their tilt going into this FOMC? And he basically answered that question. He said, listen, much ain't changed since then. We got alternate ways, and ultimately the Fed is still leaning towards a rate cut. So the rate cut odds for October should still be pretty high. The other thing he said that was clutch, that's going to get very much so looked over, is that they're about to be done a balance sheet runoff. Basically, they're about to be done QT. They about to add more fuel to the fire with that move right there. So again, just like Jackson Hole, where he basically tilted his hand to what was happening, I'm not fighting the Fed, bro. Not fighting the Fed. So they about to be done with the runoffs. Man, it's only a matter of time before more money from the sidelines start to work its way back into the market. And so, yeah, I think the market is going to have to get below the monthly 50%. It's going to have to get, but it's going to have to get below the quarterly 50%. And if it can't get below those two levels, bro, buy the dip. Buy the dip. That's my stance. Buy the dip. If it don't get below those levels, buy the dip. Straight up. Buy the dip. So,
but there's no dip to buy yet.
You said what?
There's no dip to buy yet right now.
It already happened. It already happened, bro. And you got earnings season. And you got earnings season coming. Well, we already had earnings season. So
your boy was talking hot today.
But see, that's what I'm saying. People weren't too much about Trump. That's what his goal is, bro.
No, Jamie Dimon.
I don't worry about him either. He always do that, bro. He always do that. I'm telling you, Dre, he always do that. He's always been bearish. And what's happened?
It dropped when he said what he said. He said,
I'm saying, where's the market now? And I can show you quotes of when Jamie Dimon said the economy was on shaky grounds in
I'm talking about this.
and 2024 and last year, bro. He's been saying this for the past 3 years, and where's the market at? That's my whole thing. That's my whole thing. He's been saying this for the past 3 years, and look what the market has done every time he says this. So I take what he say with a grain of salt. That's just me, though. I mean, you can believe him.
I mean, there's some credit swaps that not looking right from data that I follow. So I think that's what he said today. That there's some cracks in the credit system. That's not looking too good. But we don't know. We don't know yet. We're gonna see.
I don't know. It's like, I don't know, like, we in a weird spot. Like the day's move was weird. I've never seen it. Well, I don't want to say never. We've seen it before, where we down 500 points. We trace all the way up, back up. Then we drop another 200 toward the end.
Bro, we 15 minutes, like, 200 point candle. What is that?
That's because it's volatility is up. So them intraday ranges is about to be crazy. And once again, it's the moves we seeing of course it's manipulation because it's homie tweeting. If it was not for his tweets, we wouldn't be seeing this type of movement, yo.
No, absolutely no.
We would still. No. That's what I'm saying. Like that's why I'm like, I'm not worried about what Jamie Dimon saying. I don't care what Trump say. I'm worried about those two levels. That's the weekly 20 EMA, them 50%. If we don't touch those or get below those, this is all manipulation. They trying to confuse you. They want all the, retail making all this money. And so it's, they trying to confuse people. Like y'all just said, you in a weird spot.
Yeah.
To me, this is just, if you go look at the quarterly candle, October has to make the quarterly lows or fourth quarter. Then after that, once we get into November, December, if we're gonna rally to the end of the year, it's blast off. So sellers only got another 2 more weeks to push this market down if they're gonna do what they're gonna do. And right now they're relying on Trump and his tweets because ain't nothing else doing it. It literally ain't nothing else pushing the market down except for when he tweet.
Yeah.
So do you
Today,
think?
I think the Russell surprised a lot of people. That shit broke out and made new all-time highs, yo.
Yeah.
That's what don't make sense. Like
that's when you know we getting into that last part of the bull run. If IWM started being the leader, that doesn't mean the other indices have to be bearish. But if IWM starts that fourth quarter push, once again, I think it's going to be hard for the market to. I mean, not saying it can't see more downside. It's just very limited downside.
True.
But yeah, IWM was Russell was rocking. They was rotating like a motherfucker. Boy, them small cap, them joints is booming, bro. Them joints is booming.
I'm more like, for me personally, I'm more to sit back, watch, see what happens. Because you know the plays that I like, I got them. But I'm waiting to see. You know, I'm waiting to see my move on them to see if we get that move that way. You know, I didn't recovered a lot this year. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to protect, and then if I got to get back in, I'll get back in and catch the whole move. You know what I'm saying? Cautionary. Because as you're waking up, I'm like, bro, we down. When I took the longs, I looked like, well, we down. I had to look at my phone, refresh that joint. Like, yo.
This morning?
Yeah. Bro, that joint, because we was pumping last night.
Yeah, I'm like, 20, what the hell?
26,786.
I'm like, dang, what they got word for? What they got like the hours program when they hear tariffs just release, just sell everything like that? Like,
yes, literally.
Like, bro, it's like happening in like.
Agreed, done deal. IWM definitely. It was on a run before that, but Powell definitely added fuel to the fire when he basically said he was turning on the money printer. I agree.
Mm-hmm.
When he said he was going to turn that back on, IWM was gone. Larry, you said 26,786. Ooh-wee.
Yeah, I can see that.
That's his end of the year target.
Yeah, I can see that.
26 what?
Yeah. 26,786.
Yeah.
He said, look on the daily. Yeah, I'm on the daily.
Yeah, my target, my ultimate target is 25,929. We almost there.
We going higher than that, Drake. I'm telling you that right now, bro. We going higher than that, bro. We still got November, December. Apple's not at all-time highs. Amazon still negative. It's too many things out. Meta ain't started to run yet. We going higher than that, bro.
Let's go. Yeah.
We going higher than that.
Yeah. This is
Jay said moon mode. What you seeing, Jay? Because I know you actually shout out to Jay. He was on it. He tweeted this morning and he was like, yeah, we about to see 66.15. I said, I see the same thing. I said, we probably about to go to 66.35. And then we was talking about gamma. We went way higher than that. But I saw Jay was on it too. Larry said the wick down from Friday was a retest of the 24,260. Bounced off Sunday, been outside since, and we hitting into earnest. I agree, bro. I agree with you. I'm trying to convince these two Negroes on this damn Zoom on this thing with me. They don't believe it. They don't believe it. They don't believe it.
I don't know.
They bears. They both temporary bears. They in the bearish camp.
I'm in sell the ritmo. That's what I'm
That's
at.
what you
Right.
bet. That's what you a seller. That's basically. I won't say you're a bear,
That's
but you definitely that's the seller's camp.
when I see this
Hold on, let me go
seller
through.
heavy. This big ass candle, bro. Come on. Yeah. All right. Oof. Bitcoin.
Like I said, that was the go-go juice needed to push to them highs. I agree, bro. It's about to be a lot of. I think it's going to trap a lot of people. It first of all, it already trapped a lot of people because we have yet to go back down to where that candle closed.
Mm-hmm.
So if this thing keeps pushing higher, them folks down there that went short, they trapped.
Yeah. But
And I'll say this: this also reminds me of last September. Man, I'll never forget that move from last September. Right here. Well, no, this wasn't it. 2024. Where the hell is that last move at? September? Boom, right here. Go to, or I'll put my screen up. It reminded me a lot of what happened here on last September in 2024. We were selling down, and I think it was like a inflation report or something like that. We were selling down. We took that low. It looked like we was about to retest this low. It reversed and it never came back down. We just kept going and going and going, and people ended up getting trapped because they was thinking we were supposed to retest this joint. Exactly, yeah, Larry. It's this. That's it, and that's the same. After I saw what happened today, I'm like, yo, it's giving me that September vibe where, yeah, I think we all want to say it's gonna come retest down here, but if it doesn't get down there and more people keep trying to force the shorts to get down here, it's just adding more and more fuel to pump the market higher.
what's your weekly 20 on NQ? Let me see.
We right there. Is this line? We almost got to it.
Yeah. That's where we go. What's that level?
Right
20
there. Let me pull
23?
it's at 23,662.
Oh, 20.
You look at this last big down candle we had in July, that was 2.4%. You look at this one was 3.18. And again, when we saw this bearish engulfing candle, shit, even then I was ready to go super bear mode, and it never came back down. I think that might be the same trap they laying again, unless we get below those 50% levels. Yeah, Jay said once I saw the setup, I said pure insanity. You did. That's what made me look at. That's why I threw the eyes out there, Jay. I was like, "Is we about to reverse this shit?" He said Friday was a 1K plus move when we talked about a week before we needed a 500-600 point day. We said that. We did talk about it. Everything we said is happening. Everything we said is happening. We said we needed a big nasty sell off day to shake people up. It'll get people to second guess, and then the market gonna rip.
Market's one earning away for 20% drop. That's crazy.
We also talked about. We also said when you have a 20% correction in a year, very rare do you get another 10% correction.
Yeah, that's true.
You only get maybe 3% at that. So I'm just gonna stick to those stats that we've studied and we know. That's all I can say. Told all those markets don't bottom on Friday, folks. The markets don't follow no rules. 1 to 2% day tomorrow to go the other way. Jay said squeeze the golden cross on the screen on the other chart back in May. Yep. We touched the weekly open, went right back up this morning. Yep. Friday was nasty work. We had conversation about tariffs would be used, but y'all said those was over. Yeah, that's the only thing that can get the market to sell off. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. But what I do like about this sell-off is it got bulls on their heels. You know, people second guessing. People have taken a step back. They kind of a little concerned. So that means the sell-off worked off some of the froth.
Also, a lot of us though, like yo, you up 400% on some positions. I'm like, let me just trim some too.
Yeah.
Cause like
I don't know. I don't think a lot of people are buying here, man. Nah, I don't think so. Not yet.
I mean, you're probably right. They like to buy higher for some odd reason.
No.
They gonna wait till we go to all-time highs and start buying.
I don't know.
Dre, you gotta also look at outside the NQ, bro. You just focusing on the NQ. I'm trying to give you a perspective of the rest of the market, bro. The market is rotating, my G. You got quantums going to new high. Here's another thing. When you got a company like Oklo that keeps fucking going, they have no revenue, no nothing. Bro, what? You're right. It is weird. It's not making no sense. That's why I'm like, how are we going to get a crash if you got a company like Oklo that just continues to pump? That shit don't make no sense.
I mean, something not right, man. I don't know. This is not looking right for me right now. TMF pumping. Let me see.
I mean, if anything, Dre, if you look at the weekly, it's just an inside candle, bro.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm in the camp. If we can't get, even Mick said, I'm in the camp. If we can't get, I just said the same thing. If we can't get below previous month 50, I got the lean up, but we should see CBI. I said the same thing, bro. If you can't get below that monthly 50, we ain't talking about nothing. I agree, Dre. Folks going to get back in once the highs broken and retested before they load back in, unless their limits got hit on Friday. We'll see. Oklo ain't going to stop. I know they talking about Oklo going to $200, Carl. That's some BS.
Bro, what's that's the I try to look at some puts on that joint, bro. They expensive crazy.
Man, I got out of them puts so goddamn fast. Look at this stop, bro. Look at this stop. It's sad. This shit is crazy. It pulled back to 105. I literally ended up getting out once it got back to like 115 because I said, fuck this. And then it's all the way at 177. No, it's not coming out this week. It's supposed to come out next week if we get it. So yeah, if we do get CPI, it's supposed to come out next week. Remember, government still shut down.
And they just filled the funding vote about an hour ago.
They did another one?
Yeah. When I put it in the chat.
So yeah, we ain't getting that. We ain't getting CPI till, and it's funny because once again, this is how you know the manipulation real. Trump made sure to send some people back to give the Fed inflation data before the FOMC meeting, but he said y'all ain't getting them jobs numbers. Oh, he is a snake, bro. Well, he ain't a snake. He tried to just make sure he get no rate cuts, but he said they said we getting CPI no matter what. He wants the Fed to have no reason not to. I agree. I mean, today Powell already tipped his hand, man. Like I said, if you listen to what Powell said today, that's the reason why at least that's the reason why IWM had a pretty decent day. And we'll see if the market can continue to get follow through, man. You know, if I'm looking at these weekly candles, you got the NASDAQ. Like I said, it was down 3.18. Right now, it's up 2.5 for the week. You got the ES, which was down 3% last week. It's up 2%. The Russell is this is crazy. The Russell was down 4% last week. It's already up 5.5% this week. You got the Dow that was down 3%, and it's up now it's up 2.34. He said all the banks saying they already know unemployment is abysmal. Yeah, the banks actually reported pretty decent today too. Goldman Sachs, JP
Yeah,
Morgan, they reported well.
they did. They all
Yep.
beat and surprise.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's
And
why I
Jamie
said, bro,
Dimon
take
said
what
no.
Jamie. That's why I said, take what Jamie Dimon with a grain of salt, bro. This nigga be talking out two sides of his mouth. How you gonna
Nah,
have
my
good
nigga.
earnings and then say what he say, bro? Like he
He
be talking,
knows. He want
he
his
be talking
boys in, man.
bro.
He want the boys in. He does. He nah man. She's watch. He want them boys.
They better have got in on that sell off on Friday. That was a hell of a liquidation event,
Yeah.
especially in the crypto space. They wiped hella people out.
Oh yeah, that market sucks, man.
That's vicious. That was vicious what they did.
They killed the crypto market.
The crypto is.
Oh, I told
don't
you
know.
like yo, XRP was down to 77 cents on my chart, bro.
Yeah.
I'm like that. They wiped that drink out.
Bro, how you see? I was looking at it. I was like, I got 177. How you see
I was on
170?
XRP USD.
Yeah.
That's what I got. Hold on.
What I was gonna say what platform, right? Because like sometimes you can have like Coinbase, you can have Binance. You know they got them they got arbitrage. So like
I'm on
could
the
have went to
Binance.
seven. It probably
The Binance.
you on Binance, so it probably went to 77 cents on Binance.
Sheesh.
Shit, the one that caught me by surprise was Binance Coin. The way how that thing went all the way down to
Yeah, it came back up.
891 and went back to a new all-time high, bro. That's mean it went down 30% for it to bounce 50% in 48 hours.
That's Russian roulette right there, bro.
That's crazy, son.
Yeah.
Strat King said Russell took the whole move back. Yeah, we finally starting to go outside on the Russell Strat King on that yearly. Friday was spin the block. Folks had to get in and crypto change when you start trading them like that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We'll see. All I'm gonna say is that sellers have to stop bullshitting and get this party rolling if they plan on pushing this thing back down. Because the longer they
make the decision.
Yeah, because the longer they let this shit linger, people gonna start getting antsy thinking they missed the dip.
Yeah.
He said, bro, I had a limit order to buy Doge at 15 cents and never triggered. Did it go down to 15 cents? Gotta sneeze. Oh man. We don't got no data tomorrow, do we?
No.
No,
we don't.
Empire State. Empire State, some Fed talks in the beige book. Yeah, all insignificant. And then Thursday, so Thursday, we're supposed to get retail sales and PPI, but who knows if that's gonna and who knows? All this is tentative. And I highly doubt we get any of it if the government is still shut down. And then on Friday, that's it. It is options expiration. And so once we get past that, here's CPI Mick on Friday. It's supposed to come out Friday. And then you got Flasher PMI. And I think this stuff is tentative. Yeah, this is tentative, so that doesn't count. And then that's it. That's it. He said some IV falls off after Friday. Yeah, because Friday is October options expiration. So once we get past that, the market should be free to roam again. Or at least we won't have that pinning effect. Matter of fact, is Strat King on here? He should be on here.
Yeah, he's there. I saw him earlier.
Yeah. My thing is with Friday. Would you say I can't? You can't call Friday really an outside bar, but it's not so much an outside bar. But if you're using a strat, you looking for direction. Wouldn't y'all basically say, hey, either we have to take out the high of that Friday candle or the low of that Friday candle, and then that's what's going to kind of give you the next direction? Let's see if he answered that. Cause shit, RTY done already took out this high, so it's trying to go up. Unless this a false breakout, and then it's gonna come back down. He said it's still a mother bar. We need to take out the higher or the low. We stuck in the middle. Yep. Okay. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Took that whole short, bro. 4 NQ.
The what?
Just
Too short?
Just made 1,200. That's why I was hoping.
Hey. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Oh, you caught that wick? Oh, yep. There you go.
Yeah. Good shit, bro.
The gap up. He said the gap up is unfinished business. Yeah, that NQ is booking.
Let's go. I'm on Dre Wave 4 NQ.
Oh, you did the minis?
Yes, sir. Plus 1,200.
Let's go.
No, I got a so I took some of my bread and bought a bigger account. I bought it straight to fund it. So I'm like, nah, I'm about to start catching those. Yeah.
What you went with a 100K joint on the straight to funded joint?
Yeah, I got Tradeify.
What's how they limits work?
They when you do direct to funded, you 20% consistency rule. Once you make 6,000, you can take up to 2,500. Then after that, you just gotta make 3,500, and you can take payout anytime you want. No
what's do they have any of them? What's the stop rules on it?
Oh,
or, like they don't have trailing limits or all that?
Yeah. So I hit the So I told Dre this earlier. So yeah, I did 5 NQ, bro, going long. I hit with a pullback, and I had the daily drawdown, whatever. So like I had to wait. So I was so mad because I had to wait to now to trade. That's why I'm like, because this is the account.
They lock you out until the next day.
Yeah, well, it was a couple hours, but the next till we open up again.
Oh yeah. To the next. Yeah, I got you.
Here we go. Come on.
Yeah, but I respect it though. But I would have caught like a 12K move today.
On the longs?
Yeah, hell yeah. I just got hit with a wick when we had right before I think 11. They had dropped, knocked me out.
Bro, them hourly switchovers, they love to do that shit.
That's why I be like this one. I put my joint soon. I started dropping down, break even because we was about to hit 8, and I got to move before 8. But yeah, that's the thing like about trading. Like,
oh shit, we just hit 8 too, by the way. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock, fellas.
Yep.
But go ahead, my bad. What you were saying?
Nah, that's what because I wanted to start because I could, we all could trade, and I'm like, bro, I could trade. Let me just get a bigger account.
Facts.
And
Let's go.
Now, I know my setup works, so it don't even matter. And I got the data from our group too. So,
Larry said he got me a short going. Looks like y'all all going short tonight.
So the rep. Yes, sir. So that
we ain't no rip to sell. You talking about ain't no what rip do you sell?
Any green, look, when you see consider candle, one red candle, what? Take everything, bro. Look at it.
Right.
Yo.
What do you see, bro? Oh, dang, he switched.
What?
Well, he was showing me the red. I'll go back to yours.
Dre, look at this. Why do you think I shorted?
I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Dre put me on this
Yo,
Well,
Randall's
give it to
on.
the people.
Oh,
I
no,
can't show
yeah,
it because you gotta join the boot camp. Like
you gotta join the boot camp for this.
Oh,
like you can't like we get like when you get in you get because only you got the access to indicator you join past the boot camp stuff.
okay. I got you. 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 All right, go ahead, Dre. What you were showing?
Nah, he's looking at these um
No, I thought you was about
ranges.
to show something. Mm-hmm.
Oh, what I was looking at. I was
I think he was about to say
damn, I
something
forgot.
before he showed that. I think.
Yeah, I forgot
But
my.
go ahead.
I
Go
forgot
ahead.
whatever.
Yeah, like Carl put in the chat. Like Carl just said it.
What is it? MFE to MFE. Yeah. Man, I don't know. Say, I'm a little sauce with this.
Bro, if it gets to the 50% cool, bro.
Yeah,
I'm just saying it's got to get there for me to be a believer, bro. That's
you
all.
want to
That's
see it
real. If it
lower?
don't get there, huh?
You want to see it like close below type of thing, right
It
here?
got to at least get there. It hasn't even gotten there, bro. To
I
the
mean,
monthly 50%.
right here. We got it on Friday.
Hmm.
Well, we bounced. We bounced Friday from it.
It hit the month on my level. It didn't hit the monthly 50%.
Right here.
I got the monthly, or did it hit? It might have hit, but okay. You know what? Yeah, it got it got there. It's a few points shy, but I'll give or take.
Yeah,
I'll
like
take
right.
it. I mean, yeah. So yes, you're right. So it's got to get back down there and close for me to be like, all right, we going lower.
Yeah. I feel that.
The fact that it went
Like,
there
like,
and bounced the way it did,
like this gonna get tested again. This is what I was looking at earlier today.
that's
It's
a
gonna
daily
look
or a weekly.
a daily. It's gonna look so hindsight right now, but whatever. Um, so literally today, yesterday was bullshit. That shit don't count. Today, um, yeah. Today we came down, tested that this leg right here, the previous swing low to the T, the 24, 24, 22, 50, and bounce. Now this
Mm-hmm.
candle, if we do not get up over here above 24.92, 922s, I still favor shorts.
So you
Like
saying
every
if it
move
don't, you saying if it don't get over that?
over 24, yeah, like previous day high type of day.
Mm-hmm.
For me to believe we're gonna keep pushing, I want to see this close below 24.922. If I don't see a close there, I'm gonna sell this rip, bro. And I like it because not a lot of people see it, and that's when we do this 200 points and this and all of this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And on my weekly level, we already got to the weekly levels that I track. Shout out to
That's what yesterday.
this was last night. Last night we hit the weekly levels, previous monthly high, and sell like bro. We sell what? How many percent?
3.5.
So it
2.5%.
never. Oh, so it never got reached. So those overnight highs didn't get tested yet. Then.
No. On NQ didn't. No. NQ weak, bro. So RTY is pushing, yes, and whatever. YM too. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. The Dow was pushing too.
Okay, but NQ is different on that. Is well, it's acting
lagging.
different right now. It's lagging. Exactly. It's lagging.
Mm-hmm.
So I cannot talk for other markets. I don't track it like that. Like I don't know the in and out like I do NQ. until I get my face rip off, I'm still feeling short. That's it. I mean,
I
you
feel
know,
it. I feel it. I feel it. Yeah, you gotta
that's it.
look, man. Like I be saying, man, you gotta stick to your levels and what you see, bruh. And
Mhm.
the market we're gonna do what it's gonna do, and we're gonna live to find out which way it wants to go.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think about Nvidia? Profit taking?
I ain't even. What is he doing? I don't even watch Nvidia.
that
For what?
joint don't be that joint don't move no more.
It
It's like
don't do nothing, bro. Honestly, it's not moving the market like it used to. Well, it does move the market, but for me, there's like you said, right underneath the surface, it's a lot of other shit going on that's causing the market to do what it's doing. Personally, I see more of a rotation. So I'm seeing a whole bunch of new leaders that continuously are running day after day after day after day. Like Industrials had a great day today. Like Cat broke out to 530.
Yeah.
So I'm looking at how the money is moving. They are rotating and going into different stocks. So that's why I'm like, it's cool if the NASDAQ wants to pull back, that's cool because it's not creating a complete market meltdown. There's still other areas that are still working that for me is going to like, how would I say it, kind of blunt the move as far as the ES goes, right? Because all I really worry about is I watch the ES more than anything. Behind that, I watch the YM, RTY, and I don't really watch the NQ like that because y'all be on it. Granted, I know the NQ is it weighs the most, but once again, I look at other areas like you said, like Nvidia. It's just consolidating. But look at some of the other chips. You got AMD cooking. ARM kind of broke out today. Tomorrow it'll be good to see how ASML do. They got earnings. If they can come out and if they can do decent, and if the CEO don't bullshit on his guidance and actually reaffirm 2026, I wouldn't be surprised to see ASML make another run. And then you got TSM tomorrow. So, we know TSM going to blow their earnings out the water. It's just a matter of what's the earnings reaction going to be, right? Then you still got, listen, y'all know I believe in Apple all the way. Apple, all it did was close that 245 gap. Matter of fact, today I added my last layer of 2026 260 calls. I got all my stacks layered now. So I'm just waiting for Apple to come out with their announcement, and then they're going to have a $10, $15 day. You know what I'm saying? I look at Meta. That's a disconnect to me. They got the Meta glasses, dog. They got over 3 billion users on Instagram. They just released some new features. I think all the market makers are doing with Meta is they just trying to stall people out until earnings come, and then shit. I still see Meta hitting $1,000 by the end of this year. Their numbers are ridiculous. So again, when I'm looking at this market, I'm like, to me, it's not that weird. I think this is the pullback that people wanted. I think that Trump is causing a lot of confusion, and that's what's getting people off their game. And that's exactly what the market wants. And then once we get past, say, OPEX and next week, and we get into that last week of October, if the market is not below that 50% level for the monthly or the quarterly, the Bears, to me, they ran out of time because as soon as November hit, we're gonna hit that big week of earnings where you got Microsoft. You're gonna have all the big players then. If they do what I think they're gonna do, that mean Meta should start to take off into the end of the year. Apple should start to take off into the end of the year. And at that point, we probably reaching all all-time highs again. So I'm like, I've really got look, to me, the sellers are on the clock. And the closer we keep getting to that last week of October, if they not making no viable progress, time ran out, bro. Bulls stepping back in and they ready to push this thing back up, bro.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm still, like I said, I'm seeing a lot of like Palantir holding 180s heavy. You know what I'm saying? You got names like who else is doing pretty decent? Like shit, Tesla holding a 430 or that 415 level pretty strongly. They got earnings next week.
Yeah.
You know, and best believe Elon gonna do what he need to do to pump that up. Shit, remember when they had the worst earnings ever and it popped what
Bruh.
$50?
Yeah.
He knew that one.
I know you
That
know.
shit
That's why
hurt.
I'm like, you remember that one, right? So
Oh man.
yeah, man. I just, and the fact that Amazon's still negative year to date, it's only a matter of time before these names start to turn up, bro.
So we just dropped 50 points.
Wait, right
Let's
now.
go.
Thank you, yeah.
Ain't no news. That's good. That's
Yo,
good.
Car,
That's good.
any book my levels? Let me see. No, that shit don't work at this time, right?
No, it do. It's on.
It is.
Yeah.
Is it thin?
That shit work every time for real?
Yes, sir.
Nah.
I'm looking right now.
Nah.
Man, all that stuff work, bro.
No, I mean, no, it do work. I'm saying like the
Yeah, it's live right now, bro.
oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
We got
Man, on another note, look at gold.
man, gold,
Gold,
man.
now that is. Oh yeah, he said it's real thin. That's why. It's real thin. It's probably just mad thin that night. Because like you said, there ain't a lot of people trading that night. But shit, talking about a market that keep going. Look at gold.
Man, gold on some.
That's a market. Jay said the skew looks the same as it did this morning. What you mean by that, Jay?
Yeah. Negative gamma got saved today. 25.50, 65.50 was everything today for that market.
Did we hit it? Did we hit? I don't think we even hit it though.
Well, it's 52. Close for government. We got to 652s. Let me see.
Oh, okay. But see that shit, that it must have hit like in pre-market because it definitely. I don't think we touched it. Did we touch it in the cash session? Let me see. I'm about to see what the low was. Today's low
right here.
Yeah, today's low on the SPX was 655, 65.55. So yeah, we came pretty close
right here. 653. 65.53.
Yeah.
You bought this. Jay probably bought this because he
did. He bought it. He tweeted. He was like, "Yo, it looked like this about to be insane." And then he's like, his dashboard said 66.15, and then after that, me and him started. We was texting some levels back and forth, and he had it all the way up to 66.80. I think that was the high we hit today, 66.80.
Let's go. And get the goat. Good shit, bro.
Yeah, he killed that. What's the is there any other news tonight?
Tonight? Let me see.
Yeah.
Nah.
Nothing.
No. Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Where he said Apple just dropped some news a few minutes ago. Yep. Apple is on track. So Apple's on track to build 3 new products, a range of new home devices, including indoor security cameras, a display designed to control appliances and serve as a house command hub, and a more advanced tabletop robot capable of using motors and sensors. Oh shit.
Okay,
Apple.
I don't know. I saw something. I don't remember where. It was some bullshit, but I saw like Tim Cook was about to step out. That's true.
Yeah, they was rumoring that last week, and
last week. Okay.
Yeah, it was. I think it was a few of us. We was kind of talking about it. So it was a rumor, and apparently they're grooming their head engineer to take over.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. I mean, it kind of died down though. Like it was it was a lot. It was super heavy, and now, like you said, it's kind of died down. So we'll see where it goes.
Okay.
SPX has closed 3 days in a row under the 20-day moving average. The last time this happened was in April. Come on, Trump. You about to give us a tweet tonight. That's the only thing that worked.
Yeah. Well, about to test. Retest Wednesday for sure. About to test this area right here.
I forgot. You're right. It is retest Wednesday.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And based off Dre, based off that candle science joint,
Mm.
it seems like we're gonna be
Same what?
like it's 50-50.
You said it's 50-50?
Yeah, we use the same predict the next candle.
So basically, probably a doji then.
Maybe, yeah. You doing the daily joint?
Yeah, the daily one, yep.
Yeah.
So we might get it. So we might get a doji. That's what it's saying.
Based on
based on the thing. And you can do it too. So I'm just learning how to use this.
Yeah, I don't. I'm not in there. I'm not there yet. I'm using the other joint. But
Apple scan.
I'm trying to do my candle pop up red. Oh,
okay.
Oh nah. It's helpful, Carl. Though definitely made me see some things.
So wait. Let's see what happened. Yes.
Red.
Long force. All right.
Look back. The market looks better than the high in February. Mag 7.
Let me see.
I'm about to see what Apple doing.
Asia went short, right, Quadree?
Yeah, Asia short, and we favoring true. 60% true.
He said Quadree got brainwashed by the pack. Those 66.15 got to 64 per contract. I was good. Yes, yo, them shits went crazy, bro. Them joints went crazy. What's good, Mike?
Mike, what up, bro?
Mike in there? Mike a bear too.
Yeah, we're in the bear camp right now. Not Zay. Say we gotta turn.
We need Mike to debate.
Nah, bro. I ain't in that camp, dog. I gotta eat. My thing is this. It's gonna take a lot to get me to the bear camp. Y'all kind of just bearish to the level.
But we're not bear. We bearish to like.
Y'all bearish to the 20-year May though. That's my thing.
That's what you want.
That to me.
That's not what you want.
That to me, that's not bearish though. You feel me? That's why I'm like, okay, we can get down to that.
Yeah, that's
we can get down to that, but that still don't make me a bear, bro.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's the drop. I'm not waiting no crazy shit. Like,
yeah, like we can flush it out tomorrow and get it out the way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I just listen. The quicker the better, bro. No Diddy. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, let's get it out the way. Flush.
Hey, listen, for real, they better hurry up. Like I said, they on the time.
This point is. They taking their time, like, bro. I'm looking at the calendar 2 weeks from now. We in November, bro. Come on, what's going on?
That's what I'm saying. They better make this shit. They better hurry this up.
I got the heat on now. It's getting chilly outside. Like, come on. I need to move.
Basketball about to start too.
Basketball,
He got the heat on already.
yeah, basketball. Yo, listen, bro. These jersey nights, man. They've been chilly, bro.
Hell yeah, bro.
Windy and
They been chilly.
We just had a nor'easter come through, bro. It's been raining through the last 3 days.
So I got you go
You said it was
outside
what,
right
the
now.
last 3 days?
We had the nor'easter the last 3 days, bro.
Oh, that's yeah. That's right.
And I live by the water.
Oh, so what you been getting? What, like a lot of rain or sleet?
We get a lot of rain up here, and then we get the breeze, like the breeze off the water where I live at, off the
That
river.
shit hit different.
That don't go through your bones, bro. So it'd be like, even like it's 55, it's still cold. Like, but then 55, if I go inland, it's warm. So it's like, I don't know how that weather drink work, but it'd be the same temperature.
Because like you said, that breeze, that water.
Yeah. But literally last week we was in the 70s, and Saturday supposed to be 70. So the weather weird.
Did we got pup today? Yeah.
No, we didn't gap up.
Said we got what?
Let me see.
We got down.
We got down today. We open gap down. No, I'm talking about Asia right now.
Gap down.
Asia open.
Oh, you talking about Asia?
Down.
Yeah, Asia open right there.
Asia, we opened up and then we just dropped.
Yeah.
Because remember, Dre, you was in longs, but when we got on the call, bro.
No, I was long. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, so
I was long.
We went up, we dropped, then you took the longs.
Yeah.
Now we below.
Yeah. Look at this, bro. Can I put a picture here in the little thing or not? Say.
Yeah, you or where? Not in the chat. No, not on the side.
Not in the studio. Oh, okay.
Nah, I don't think it's gonna let you. Yeah, I mean you could try. I don't think
I tried. It didn't work. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna let you.
I put in the Discord thing for us.
Mike said like December 2024.
I don't know what that means.
What? What I said or what Mike said?
No, I guess he's saying the setup.
Say you next.
What is that?
SPX.
Yeah, you talking about SPX? We pretty much, we had went up, then we dropped down, like we did yesterday.
Oh,
that's.
So just type it in the chat.
Yeah. I got you.
Think about what happened when we had. I'll never forget that date, December 18th. We had that iPhone. See me in.
That's right here. But to that point, though, if we talking about that December 18th, the market does rally pretty close back up to, it doesn't take out that high, but it rallied up pretty close before it like broke back down to retest the lower end of that candle. Like it took some time. Shit, y'all talking about goddamn being a short-term bear. When is gold going to turn around? I want to catch a short on gold. Jesus Christ.
Soon. Yeah. I
ain't gonna lie, bro. I might look at some lead puts on that drink. Cause when that drink, I might have to get a year on that drink. I don't know when I might got a front run it. Listen.
You said some lead puts.
Like I just want to be there when it fall. That's all.
Yeah, cause that run, this is, bro. That run, like, yo, this. Hold on, I'll put this run here.
Like the chart going backwards.
Yo, look at this shit. Ever since in August.
But look how long you was in that channel though, bro. Like that was at 3 months.
It was. That's why they say the longer the base, the bigger the breakout. How long was this base? Let me see. So this consolidated for, let's just say, here. It was basically in this range. So that's what. What else? Oh, here we go. $123 days.
God damn.
How long is this breakout?
Probably 40 days, maybe.
Damn, we only have 56 days. It's only at 56. How far is this? How big is this run though? So from this low,
you get like 30,
here,
40%.
24% from the August 22nd breakout. Strat King said gold is going to 5K. I agree, bro. I keep hearing that, and it just looks like it's just not going to slow down. God damn, 5K though.
No.
Like, look at the week, dog. It ain't had a green week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We going on 9 green weeks in a row.
We can see 2200 before we see 7,000 on gold.
Hold on, what?
We can see more downside before we see upside on gold. Is that?
But
put it on the daily?
You gave some big numbers though. You had 2,200 like all the way down here, and then 7,000 like way up here.
Well, we yeah. I mean, 5K is right there, no. But if you wanna like play risk to reward, you better go down. You go down.
I got you.
You know, it's more. Yeah, you see.
God damn, you think we would see 2,000 before 7,000?
We can, yes.
I mean, I'm not playing gold, so I don't really care. But and then they talking about silver going to 100.
So do that ratio real quick. Silver divided by gold.
I got to do the ETFs. Hopefully that'll work.
Silver leading that joint, I think.
There you go.
So silver right now leading, right? So anybody playing metals, you better playing from the palladium. Silver got a little bit left on the tank. What's the other shit? Car. What's the other metal you like? Oh my god. Oh, palladium, platinum. That one. Yeah,
platinum.
So if you want upside on metals, go. You better go on those markets if you believe in metals, which I do. Oh yeah, I'm because the risk to reward for those markets better than gold and silver right now. Because gold already run. Like if you're getting gold right now, brand new, no.
Hey, Strat King, you should do the boot camp, bro. We be in it together.
What you mean you don't know?
He said he don't know. He said he don't know if you should take it. I'm trying to talk him into it. You do it so that way I gotta have somebody I know.
What scare you away, bro? That shit.
He said y'all too bearish.
Well, what you mean? We bearish into the weekly 20, bro. Nah, nothing crazy.
Yeah, we too bearish. That's crazy.
Yeah. And the boot is only day trading.
Don't forget, I'm calling 7,200 though.
I was about to say, let me say this.
We boot camp, we day trading. We're not like predicting.
So, Strat King, what you seeing, bro? if you saying they two bears, what's your perspective? Type it in the chat. He said, I'm in
Let me know so they
BT.
can put you together in the group. Let me know for real.
He said he gonna do it. Strike can't say he gonna do
but they can put you in the same group together because
it. Okay.
yeah, I need him know.
Does Randall still live in the DMV area? He was telling me he was from Prince George's.
Yeah, he's out there. Yeah,
He's still in the area.
I want to say he's in the
You're not
South
sure?
Carolina. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
South
not
Carolina.
sure. Like, yeah, I'm not sure exactly where he's at. But yeah,
He's from the area. He said he's from the area though. So, Strat King said I'm on your page with the 20% April. Anything else is just temporary. Got it.
oh, there you go.
He's still in. He said not anymore. Okay, there you go. Not anymore.
Yeah.
You still got family up here?
There you go. Random, we got Strat King joining the boot camp. Make sure he goes on Sage Steam or day, whatever. Well, I know we don't have days yet. I remind you because you're not gonna remember. I remind you.
Just keep that in reminder, Trey.
Yeah. My old man over there.
Yo, on another note though, he said, yeah, I'll be there Thanksgiving. Okay, cool. On
Let's meet
another
up,
note
see?
too.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. I was gonna mention something else. What I will say though too is I don't like oil is not a good look right now. And for sure, we can definitely meet up, bro. We can meet at the harbor is like right in between us. If you in PG, we can meet at the National Harbor. Go to like the piano bar or somewhere over there by like the Gaylord. They got a few bars and stuff over there. But no, what I was mentioning about oil, bro, oil getting cooked, man. You probably ain't looked at it lately, Dre, but it's well below the 65, 60 area.
Drill. Anybody worry about that oil?
Yeah, who?
Remember Drill, baby Drill?
Man, he lied. He lied, bro. Bad fool lied.
That nigga crazy.
Actually, you know what? I think Drill Baby Drill turned into Nuclear Baby. That's what he should have said, cause them nuclear stocks, man. Look like this about to be a slow overnight. I like it.
Well, we hit
I like it.
Did we hit it? Nah, there ain't no way we did that, bro. For real.
Hit what? Hold on.
Previous day mid.
I don't think so.
No.
That's yours? Yeah, I got your screen up. Where's previous day mid at?
Right here. 24/7, 732.75.
Oh, to the downside.
Yeah. You see, yo, this is a ain't open to be crazy. 1800. Look at this shit, bro. Boom, 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 brah. That was the wall. Yeah.
On your end, does it say your NQ open with a gap down?
No.
If you look at the daily, no.
Daily. Let me see. No. Well,
yeah, it did.
A little bit. Yeah.
That's a gap down, bro. Like
that's a little gap. Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm like. Yours ain't open with a gap down. I mean, I know it's small, but yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
10 points got 10-point gap.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. And we got them bound from it. Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep, went down, retested. Now we're moving back up. My thing is, if the RTY broke out that candle, man, for me personally, bro, I feel like the rest of the market gonna follow suit, man. Because it just don't make no sense for the Russell to take out that Friday candle and use in the ES and YM. Well, YM almost can. I think the YM did take it out. Let me look. Or it came close to it. It came pretty close. Yeah, it came close. It didn't take out the high quite yet, but it definitely took out the open on the YM. And then you got the ES and the NQ lagging a little bit.
Yeah. Damn, NQ already testing Sunday's range. So we gotta test Tuesday range next. Say, hey, damn, they're gonna do it without us.
On what data?
About to get short, bro.
You know, we also got keep in mind it is OPEX week. They finna.
OPEX on Friday?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. I didn't know that.
So that means we probably got a VIX expiration.
Yeah. Tomorrow, no? Thursday?
Yeah,
That should be on Thursday.
Let me see. So sometimes it'll be like Wednesday or Thursday. It just depends for real.
Mm-hmm.
October 22nd is when it is. What?
Next week.
So yeah, it's next week then. Interesting. I've been saying it since last year. Nuclear was going to be the play. Carl, you were absolutely right, bro. Nuclear is going nuclear. I looked today. BWXT done went back up. I'm like, damn. Tomorrow, Jay, it's a well, am I looking? Yeah, I'm looking at the right calendar. It's a October 22nd, bro. Here you go. VIX expiration calendar. Last one was September 17th. This one say October 22nd.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. I'm about to just start buying gold as soon as this shit open.
Sunday. We're doing that trade, bro.
Bro, you could do it. Look, Sunday. Here was yesterday. Here's today.
No, but Sunday, you let it run all night.
All day.
Man.
All day. Yeah. Yeah. If you go look at the Mondays, every Monday it's up like damn near 2%. Like this Monday, it was up 2.3. It was up 2.3. Last Monday, it was up 1.85.
Yep.
The Monday before that, it was up 1.93.
That's crazy.
The Monday before that, it was up 1.65. And then I think.
Watch, when I get in this week, it's gonna go drop.
That's why I ain't messing with it, bro. That's exactly why.
Right. The day I mess with it, that shit gonna drop crazy.
No, don't lie. Every Monday since.
Oh yeah, we tracked that in the past. Yeah,
bro.
Every Monday, bro.
The last red Monday it had was August 25th.
God damn. Jesus.
Every other Monday after that has been positive by at least 1%.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So that's how we know the trend gonna be over. If they get a red Monday,
you're right.
Until we get a red Monday.
That's it. Yeah.
Damn, that's wild, bro. Until we get a red Monday, that thing
Bro,
is
this
that's
somebody
crazy.
we know, his name, he been trading gold for like up, man. That's what he trade, I think, gold.
Uh-huh.
And he been killing it. Oh my lord, bro.
I
Like he
bet.
been,
Shit.
bro, killing. I'm talking about bands of the bands, bro. Like 10 racks,
Whew.
15 on that Monday. I'm like, man, wow.
Pop out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look, I'm just going back to look. So it looks like the one red day you get is usually between Wednesday and Thursday.
Mm. So tomorrow,
Mhm.
gold.
So because this was a red day Thursday, Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and I
Mm.
mean that's a Tuesday, and then this one was a Thursday. So buy on Monday, sell on Thursday.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Man, we keep flirting with we just flirting with this 8 o'clock hour. Been we ain't really did nothing, Drake.
No. Yeah, I think it's about to. Based on this, let me see.
Let me go. What's crypto doing tonight? So yeah, Dre, this was you already know, but this was what I was saying with Bitcoin, bro. And I
Let me
think
see.
we talked about it. Is this 20 is key when you
Yeah.
break it and you come down to 50. So as long
Mhm.
as it keep holding this 20, I ain't worried.
Mhm.
As long as it keep holding that 20. And then even if it do break the
Yeah.
20, it's got to
That's
go down to the 50, then bounce back up
that's
and get
that's
rejected
the one.
again.
That's the one you don't want to see close below that 50.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. And but in usually the trend is it'll come down to it, try to
Mm-hmm.
bounce back up, get rejected at the 20, and then crash through the 50. When you see that, matter of fact, I'll show you that. That's this right here. Crash
And
through, you get to the 50, you bounce up, crash back through, you
good,
bounce up, kind of get rejected, and
good
then
night.
lights out. Yeah,
Right. That's the one. Yep. Yep.
yeah. So
That's the
it came
tapping
down
process
here.
right there.
Yeah, it tested it here in 24. It tested it here
Mm-hmm.
early in 25. So long as we don't long it hasn't even made it down here yet. So I ain't tripping.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was listening to our boy this morning, this afternoon.
Who Raul?
No, no, no. The other go, calling Cow. I think his name is.
Who?
Let me get his name right. Hold up. Give me 1 second. His name is Benjamin Cohen. He's data too driven.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and yeah, he like Bitcoin for October upside. He likes and Ethereum,
Who don't
which
like it?
is
Who don't like Ethereum? Oh, your boy Tom Lee got everybody bullish on Ethereum, bro.
yeah, man.
Right.
But then he got something that I didn't like. He don't like altcoin, bro. I don't know.
A lot of
He
folks
think
don't
out
really.
big.
It's only a few cats that really like the altcoins like that, and then they very picky.
Yeah,
Um,
because when you do the ratio chart that all you getting is lower highs, bro. He's like, I cannot get bullish on something making lower high. I'm sorry. I don't care what anybody this is I can see in the video. I don't care what anybody tells me. If
mhm.
you're making lower highs, I'm not bullish on that market. And all coin divided by something keep making all lower
Yeah.
highs.
But see, is he throwing all the altcoins in one bucket? See, that's
He
the
doing
I
he
don't like
doing
that.
no, he's
Yeah,
doing he got three things going. He got total 3 minus BTC divided by I took a picture.
It sounds like he's including all the altcoins though.
yeah, you got that.
Because if you do that,
So
then
if
that,
let me do it here. Let me
I
see.
mean, if he's doing that, bro, that means he's discounting Ethereum. Ethereum ain't necessarily making.
No, he's not. He's not. No, Ethereum is his baby. He's not counting that out. You
Oh,
crazy?
he don't count that one. Okay, I was about to say, or I mean, even Binance Coin that ain't making. That's not making lower highs.
This is
I
that
mean,
chart. This is
Solana's
the
doing okay.
chart that he don't like.
Let me see. What is it? Total 3 USD. What is that?
Total 3 minus USDT divided by Bitcoin
What is that?
is I just find out, bro. So this is counting altcoin minus Ethereum divided by Bitcoin, and it give you the strength. If altcoins is beating Bitcoin, you should supposed to get something like this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's outperforming. It's altcoins gonna outperform Bitcoin, which it happened late quarter, late cycle.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna see your altcoin go crazy. You know, $20, $50 move in a
Mm-hmm.
freaking hour. But right now, he's not seeing that. He's seeing lower highs.
But I think I think a lot of people don't realize though, altcoin season is not a long season.
No, it's 45 days. About.
Yeah.
Well, people are
Like,
talking about. That's why people are talking. October is gonna be altcoin season. He don't
yeah.
see it yet. You know, he not there. That's what he's
Yeah.
saying.
I don't know if it's gonna happen in October, but
Yeah.
to me, altcoin season usually aligns with meme season as well.
Right.
And that's usually
The
like
top.
December, February, or December, January, February. Right, the top.
Yeah, the top. And on another note, we not. And this is FX talking about that. Whenever you see like crazy things going on, like remember NFT, NFT, whatever.
Yeah, NFTs. Mm-hmm.
That you one monkey, people were paying a picture of a monkey $3 million. That's when you are close to a tap.
But we
When you
not
see
nowhere
those,
near there though.
no, and nowhere near that yet. No, we're not there
Like,
yet.
yeah, like hell
He
no.
was saying for me to call a tap, I need to see some bullshit going on, like out of the blue, that is gonna sell for triple the price. That you be like, huh? That made no sense. That's when you know the market's stopping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
You know what's funny though is when you say that, I could think about both instances when it played out. In Quadree, you probably remember this. You remember when everybody was doing ICOs?
Yeah.
that ended up being what, like that was like the 2017, 2018 top.
Yes, sir.
And then shit kind of calmed down. And then next thing you know, that's the NFT stuff came out. That coincides with like the 21, 22 top.
yeah.
So yeah, we ain't got there yet, but when
Yeah.
we see that
I saw something.
that next shiny item
You
in
know.
the space, we know what it is.
Yeah.
But I mean, looking back, that joint was crazy though, bro.
You got who?
Looking back at that time, that joint was crazy, bro.
Especially the ICOs, bro.
Mike, you here? I
Maybe.
know who somebody in our group like Louis Vuitton chart. You seen that chart lately?
LVMH.
Yeah, that shit look good, bro.
Mm.
I think Mike fuck with Louis Vuitton on chart before,
Mm-hmm.
if I'm not mistaken.
So, Carl, what is these?
Oh yeah, look, there you go. I knew he's here a long time ago. Yeah, Mike, you check that chart, bro. Let me know, bro, cause that thing looking right.
I said it before. I'll say it again. I think he keeps making all these tariff threats because China won't sign the deal.
That's
As you
not
can
the chart.
see, when the deadline passed before Christmas and they don't, dot. He's just trying to save face and not admit it. So you saying you think he's doing all these tariff threats because China won't sign the deal, as you can see, when the deadline passed before Christmas and they don't. Mm-hmm. What's good, Kurt? What's good? What's good? What's good?
This don't look right.
What's that? You got to type in LVMH.
LBMH. Okay.
V as in Victor.
MH.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
It's that one right there. Yeah.
For real? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that's the chart. Yeah.
Let me delete this. Okay. This shit on the weekly. E. Okay. This shit looking right. I need seasonality this year for me to get in, but yeah.
Figure the holidays coming up, probably looking right.
Yeah. It should not, and it could be a good play, bro. Legit. I'm about to do some digging on LBMA. I gotta start. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Let me do my fancy. Okay. You swipe some lows too.
Who did LVMH?
Yeah, it took the low from 2022 and bounced back. I got something to share with you as soon. Huh? Oh, you talking to?
Yeah, he said got something to share as soon as I master it. So he's still taking. He probably still like working through the kinks.
Mm-hmm. Damn, say I could see 900 on this joint for real, bro.
What's that? LVMH?
Yeah,
Let me take a look at it. LV. What you like about it?
it's just been depressed all this time. Now, finally getting a
Do you got Is your price say 648? Make sure I'm looking at the same chart.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's go take this look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Mm-hmm.
Did it make low?
Yeah, Mike. Yeah. Okay.
So
About
it
to
made
do some
low.
dig.
Go ahead, my bad. What you say?
No, I say I'm about to do some diggings in this. And
So you right. I was about to say that. So Dre, just know that with LVMH, you got to buy shares, bro.
here. Okay.
Yeah. He said Extracting said that's a share play because they don't got options. That's what I was gonna let them know. They don't have options on that, or at least not. Yeah, this is an OTC stock, over the counter. So you gotta buy shares.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Yes.
That was one of the original trap stocks, Zay.
I know. Yeah, he loved this stock because he was big on the guy who owned it.
Yeah.
He was big on what was his name? Arnold Berno. Burnell, something like that. Whatever.
Yeah, something like that.
Yo, you seen this, bro? This ETF
What's
is
that?
booming, man. Metals.
What? Yeah, XME.
That's-
Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah,
saying. You were talking about play all those metals. Like, just play XME.
yeah.
Where you were saying
God.
like just do platinum or whatever.
Well, future, yeah. You could trade this future wise.
But you're right. That ETF is booming, boy.
Yeah. So now this got to catch up. You want to play the catch up. This is your target right here. You got a 50% move left on platinum, palladium, whatever this shit is. Let me see.
Well, no, you gotta make
Yeah.
sure because platinum and palladium they two different things. You don't
Palladium,
want
yeah, palladium,
you
PA,
said the right one.
palladium, yeah. That's one. If you a swing trader futures, which you can, palladium's on that list. Let me see, platinum.
God, dog, man, this shit just don't stop, bro.
And for platinum, you got a little bit left in the tank. You got about, and this is based on what gold and silver is doing because they follow through. This will follow back, like they're gonna follow. There ain't no way they're gonna do. They need them to. So you got about 30% left from platinum. Yeah.
Moving up, market moving back up. Oh, we about to go to 9 o'clock too, fellas.
Yeah. Damn. Shit going fast today.
Yeah.
About to go short falls for real? No. Don't do me like that. 9 o'clock. Let's go.
I think the false move is at false time is
that first joint Quadree US is New Year too.
Oh, New Year too. Oh, where?
So that green thing. So I put it here. Look at this. You see the green and New Year 2 open. So this is what you see in that. So this is Asia, and now we supposed to drop.
Yeah, so that's the blue.
Let me see if saying you.
Or is the red?
Oh. That's the blue. Asia is the blue, and yellow is London.
Right. And based off of so false time is 9:45 to 10 o'clock.
Yeah, so that's the only thing. You gotta wait until the full time. Yeah. From 9:37 to 9:45. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I want this market to flush real quick so I get some better prices.
I mean, look at it, bro. This is no way. What?
What is? Oh, you looking at something else?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, if I get another text message about Coinbase, I don't even got Coinbase.
They marketing on point, boy.
Yo, you talking about withdrawals? I'm like, what?
Oh, it'd be like one of them fake numbers.
Yep.
Yeah, they be trying to get you, bro. That's why, Dre, remember I told you it's a scammer. I was like, bro, don't respond to that text, bro.
Hell no. Well,
Dre sent the picture. He was like, yo, what's going on? I'm like, let me see the number. He showed me. I'm like, bro, don't click no links, my nigga. They gonna get your shit. Do you do?
mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Damn.
Yeah, they grind me out here, bro.
Hell yeah. Facts. Damn. I didn't get short. Fuck.
I seen your setup. I'm surprised you ain't take it.
Yeah, I didn't. Oh, fuck. I mean, I already made my cash flow. Yeah. But I would have got in the big account.
Bruh. Yeah, you were short. Yeah.
I would have been short all night, but
it looked like the shorts have been playing out around 10 o'clock. When I'm looking.
Oh yeah. It's 10 o'clock yesterday.
Like once 10 o'clock hit, they go crazy. Yeah, last night. That's when it all started. Last night, I was like, damn. I woke up this morning. I was like, what happened?
Also, I was working on gold today. Gold at 10 o'clock at night, it booms, bro. Like for the past, let me see. Look at this. Let me show you.
Yes, Carl, you're right. He said a withdrawal started on your Coinbase account. I get them daily. Man, I be deleting and blocking every time I see it. I hit block and delete and put that shit in the junk. I'm like, yo, come on, man. These hackers, bro, they be trying to get you. I want to know how the hell they get my goddamn number, though.
Yeah, bro.
I got it.
Because like, how they know you even trade? That's my first question.
Yeah, like how you know I got a Coinbase account, bro? And what's funny is my wife got one. She don't get them damn text messages. I need to make sure she don't get them, because if she do get it, I'm like, hey, you need to make sure you don't click on nothing.
Yeah, you usually get a reverse on gold at 10 o'clock in the night.
On gold?
Yeah. I was checking earlier. Look at this. 1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
You get the week. 3. 2 o'clock. 2200. This is the only. Well, you got a little push here. So if you traded that would. How much is that, Quadree? 12 points on gold. How much money is that?
That's 126. 120 times 10 is 1200.
What? What?
Because gold is No, I found out. Did you know that? Did you know silver futures is $50? Is it $50 a point or $50 a tick?
Dang.
I think it's $50 a point.
And gold is booming, my guys. Look at this.
Said gold, yeah, it don't stop, bro. That's what I was looking at. Yo, that's why I kept saying that. I was saying it to myself. I'm like, yo, this shit just don't stop, bro.
Nah, damn.
New high,
yeah.
Silver about to be right behind it.
We'll talk about silver, bro.
You said don't talk about silver.
Nah, Quadree, bro.
Nah, I had gold. I had silver. It was my gold, bro.
Look at this shit, Quadree. That made crazy, bro. Now I saw that. You see it?
You say that again? No, I wasn't looking.
I put it in the chat. Our chat. Say, look at that shit, bro. That shit say 100%.
What's say 100%?
thing I show you
Uh-huh.
on the go to the messages on Discord.
Mhm.
So based on that data, I was saying Asia was sure 100%, and we did.
Okay.
We got it.
So what's the is that whole thing just that's only Asia?
No, that green. Well, the picture I'm saying right now,
Yeah,
yes,
the green is on that's all Asia.
yeah.
And so I'm guessing blue is like that
No.
little
The green is no. The green is yesterday afternoon. The blue is Asia.
and then the orange
The
is
orange is London and red is New York.
got it.
Yeah, but I could do it different ways.
Mm.
And you're gonna be doing this way. You're gonna have access to it once they do this. Let me see.
No, where's Bono? Silver get a pullback. I'm getting back in. I'm
You
getting.
said silver?
Yeah,
Mm.
they still cheap. It could be on
Silver.
based off our boy
Who?
FX.
Silver. Yeah. He want to see silver 50. I think he said 50, 40,
100,
something.
bro. 100.
Hunter.
100. A hundo.
Yeah, silver come back down to my 20-day EMA boy. I sent an alert right there.
Did it come back down when it had that flush?
It came close but never touched.
Damn.
Yeah, the came close back in September. That was last month. Wow, but never touched.
Oh, shout out to the people. Where the people at? Remember, right here.
The VVIX.
Yeah, this is the move. This is telling us right here. This is popping right here. This is day trading paradise. When you get
Right.
long or short, 300 points in the move. Just make sure you got it on the right side of the market, so you don't get smoked.
Right, so you won't get cooked, boy.
Whenever you see, yeah, man. Whenever you see a baby's above 98,
You know you're
is
gonna get a lot of intraday movement.
Yeah, 300 points, 500 points, you name it.
Yeah, you know stuff
Bro.
crazy when I'm making like 500 off of 2 micros.
Dang,
Like
that's crazy. Yeah. Now, like this move, you get, bro. That's why I was so mad at myself today, bro. This is $500 move, bro. 500 points move
Well, that was what on the long.
on the long, bro. I took profit here. What was it? Not even day. I only took profit here, bro. That candle. That's it.
What did you see that made you what was it you were seeing that made you take the profit?
That we're gonna continue lower. It could be a possibility it could continue lower. Yeah, I didn't want to get smoked, bro. Because trading NQ on
Oh yeah. No, that shit will turn around quick.
I got you. Right? Yeah. I'm like, bro, listen, ain't that brave now. Nah. Let me take my money and bounce. Yeah, man.
Then you can't be mad at yourself then. You was following your system.
Yeah, but I should know better because that was an all-day reversal. And Rondo kept saying that shit all day today. You know, I was like, huh. But the way they did it, they were funny because they closed the gap, right? They closed this gap to the T. that's what exactly what I did say. So right here, this is that gap,
Yep.
and we close the gap to the T,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And I took profit here. I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
bro, at the top of the gap. I'm like, I ain't trying to be Superman, superhero. I'm gonna
Hey
take my
Dre,
money
real quick
here.
though. Real quick.
Yeah.
Go back for me real quick because I want to show you something too. Or I just want to make this point. All right. That last candle that you put in that one,
Mm-hmm.
that big one right there.
Yeah.
That's what happened after hours when Trump dropped that 100% tweet.
Mm.
So that's why I'm saying I think that candle can be a trap where people think we have to go back and get that, but that candle never happened during the cash session. It happened after hours. So the fact that we hit the gap the way we did and then bounced off, to me, that's what makes me think that candle might be a trap. Meaning people want to keep shorting to try to get that, but we never going to go get it. At least not right now. Let me put it that way. Because that tweet, because he ended up making a tweet, we dropped off, and then literally 2 hours later, that's when he reversed it, and then shit came right back up. But the market was already closed, which is why we gapped up like the way. Well, I mean, we gapped up for a few more reasons, but you know what I'm saying. That's the reason why we gapped up like we did. But that candle there, I do have my eye on that candle, but the fact that it happened after hours the way it did, I don't know if we fully retest that candle.
Okay. So, because I was not when he tweeted. He tweeted here.
So he tweeted there, and he tweeted before. He tweeted to
Here.
start the sell off, right? Yep.
Right.
That was when he. So all right. So go to the top one, right? That top one is when he first came out and said, "Hey, China being hostile, I'm going to do massive tariffs." Then we sold all the way off. Then the market closed, and as soon as it closed, he said that's when he came out with the 100% bullshit. We dropped off real quick, and then he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna." Then he came out and said, "Hey, you know what? My meeting with old boy isn't canceled." And then over the weekend he said everything is fine. Now you can see even his advisors and them is saying, "Oh, that 100% tariff thing. It depends on what China going to do." They basically walking it back. So that candle right there could be a trap, bro. Especially with the way especially with now that you showing me how we got into like how you made that box and we literally got straight smack to it and then bounced off of it.
Yeah.
Like, bro, we literally tested the top of the top part of that. And and that's what I was saying about those people that took that short after hours, because the market still is actually open. I think them the people that's trapped.
Well, during that, I got calls. I got my calls yesterday. I was up like 100%
during that, and to the point, that same candle that I'm showing you, Dre, that nasty one that came after hours, that's when the crypto did that crazy liquidation. That's the same time when you go look at like Quadree chart, XRP went to 77 cents. Like fucking Binance coin went all the way down to 800 some odd dollars. Like if you go look at the Kabashi letter Twitter dude, he goes and talks about how the account was set up. Then he made 100% tweet. They made like 80 some odd billion on them shorts, and then they closed the account out.
Dang.
Bro, like that's all my thing. How can you do that? What type of account I gotta get to do that?
Oh, I don't know.
Like, what account can I open and close real quick like that, bro?
Shit. I think it's Barron Trump.
Right.
They keep saying it's Barron Trump that's doing all this shit.
Yo. Hey. I missed that.
Bro, but that move, yo, I'm telling you, Dre, when it happened, that move was like, check that 1 minute candle, bro. Like, I was looking at short it, but I was like, it's too much risk, bro.
Yeah, that shit was crazy, son.
That's hella risk for that shit to come back and get me to drop that.
Nah.
Yeah, this one right here.
bro.
It
Because
was
Dre, it happened so fast, bro. It happened so fast. Like
bah.
no way, no way you could. You had to been already in position, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you had to be. You had the front run that one.
And then on top of that, you would have even you probably would call a little bit of move because you wouldn't expect it to drop all the way down here.
Nah.
Yeah, that shit was.
Oh, yeah.
Because what?
Okay.
That's a 15-minute. Them 15-minute candles, ain't it?
Yeah.
Like, look at like, what's the measure of those first three candles?
100 points probably.
Shit, probably more
This
than that.
one was 229 points.
You're right. That's just the first one.
The second one was about the same. Yeah. 239.50.
And then what's that third one?
And
That's got to be 300 points.
275.
So that entire so in 45 minutes, that's what? How many points was that?
About 850, 860. Yeah, good.
Yeah. So we got, let's see, 229.
No, just add them all together. Add them all together. If you just do the whole three, start from the top, go to that. Yeah, there you go.
554.
In 45 minutes.
Yeah. Damn.
That's what I'm saying. If them 15-minute candles at 45 minutes, them just do.
Yeah. Dang. That's wild.
I know one day, bro, I'm gonna catch one of those by accident. One day.
Yeah.
That would
That'd be lit.
bro. I would have took a quick vacation somewhere.
Facts. Yeah, man.
That shit was crucial, bro.
So anybody,
and when you see a drop like that, you know it's Trump.
yeah, for real.
Like today, this afternoon.
Yeah, during the close.
Yeah, what the hell is that? What was this?
Bro, that shit dropped 40 some odd points in what 15 minutes over cooking oil.
Yeah, cooking oil.
Bro,
Over
this shit.
And that's the thing. Look at the stuff.
That was 200 points.
That's what getting me. Like, look at stuff we dropping down off of. Like,
that's what I'm saying. Like, that's some bull. Like cooking oil, bro.
What he about to like say? The next thing is we not going to get glue from China now. That's going to drop it another 200 points. Ooh,
bro, off of cooking oil, son.
Yeah, 200 points. Move. That was 200 points for 50. Damn.
Because we was positive though. Then we went to negative. We was down in like negative 250 again, bro. That's why I was like, drop, baby, drop.
I was like, jeez.
Yeah. God damn.
Off of cooking oil.
I didn't even know we had cooking oil from China.
Yo, some of the memes that I saw on Twitter after that shit was hilarious, bro.
It's funny now because you know I'm not the one getting in the market. It's funny when you
right back.
Nah, so the two funny ones I saw though, Quadree, was you remember the Dave Chappelle when he in the office and he talk about oil and he be like, ain't nobody cooking, bitch. Somebody tweeted that joint. And then another dude, it was another one. What was the other one that I saw that had me weak? It was like it was kind of like somebody was surviving something. He was like basically like me buying a dip, surviving the great oil crash, the great cooking oil crash of 2025. Yo, I was like, yo, people are hilarious, man. He said, that's my retirement plan, Quadree. You'll know when I hit one of those candles with some size.
Yeah, take you out the game. Yo, this joint crazy, bro. They got him in there cooking.
Who's that? Trump?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's when he was dipping the McDonald's fries.
Yeah. All right. How we doing, man? pushing back up. All right. I don't know. That could be a setup for that 10 o'clock sale like they like to do, man.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But man, I don't know, fellas, man. The IWM is just telling me I don't know, bruh.
Well, I mean, I think IWM can run, then NQ could drop, right? That's when
I mean, it don't see that's it don't have to. I think that's everybody's like NQ could just consolidate. It just may lag a little bit. That don't mean it necessarily has to like crash.
What do your the call put ratio look like now?
For the Qs or for the SPY?
Either one. I just want to see, did it change to more?
Let me see.
Dang, this Australian oil fees went up 243%.
I feel like I'm gonna do both the Qs and the SPY. So for the SPY, yo, I also noticed, Quadree, looking at this spot, like doing it this way versus looking at like the PCC is actually better.
Oh, looking at it that way?
Yeah, looking at it this way is better than using that PCC indicator.
Yeah.
That shit don't work like talking about. So you still got for every three puts is one call for the 17th. You still got 2.8 OI versus 750,000 on the calls. We go to say the end of the month. The end of the month is 5. So you got 1.6 million puts to 300,000 calls. For some odd reason on the 14th, I mean, it's a small sample size, but that shit's ridiculous. You got 400,000 puts to 20,000 calls. That's a 20-to-1 put to call ratio. Then you look at the middle of the month joints is 5-to-1. So for November, 1.7 to 350,000. The end of November, again, small sample size, but 720,000 puts to 120,000 calls, 6-to-1. And then that's when it starts to lighten up and kind of get more, a little bit more in line. I mean, December's still 2-to-1. And then the new year is 1.5. So it kind of gets a little bit better there. And then as we go further out, they still stacking, but ain't nothing too outrageous.
Mm-hmm.
That's for the SPY. Let's go look at the Qs. For the Qs, for the 17th, close to a 3-to-1, 2.7. So you got 1.4 million puts to 541,000 calls. For the 24th is pretty big. Well, let's look at the end of the month. End of the month is 3. So 100,000 calls to 375,000 puts. We look at, say, November. It's at a 2, so 760,000 puts to 364,000 calls. And then the December is 1 million puts to 670,000 calls, so 1.5. And then the biggest, and then it kind of cools off, and then you get to March, small sample size, but 500,000 to 240,000. So still a lot more puts than let's go look at IWM.
Yeah.
That's the one that got the most shorts on it. So for the 17th, it's the 3.45. Let me blow this up a little more. 3.45. So you got 1.8 million puts to 507,000 or 520,000 calls. You go to say the end of the month And the money ain't that big, only 130,000 to 74,000. But you go to November, 1,000,000 to 290, so that's a 3.7, 3.7. December is 1.6 to 843, so almost a 2 to 1. And then it really starts to heat up as you get into February, March, because they a lot of people know that's when it run. So you got 650,000 to 240,000. Damn, look at June of 26, 740,000 to 220.
That's crazy.
2000. Damn, December 26 got almost 700,000 puts already. Bro, they are stacking.
Hell yeah.
Or I wouldn't say they stacking. They probably more so selling these bitches and collecting premium.
Mm-hmm. Hey.
I mean, the skew still there, bro.
Interesting.
Yeah, for sure. We're about to go forth.
Yeah, we gonna see. We pushing, Dre.
Yeah.
But yo,
Yep.
look at TLT.
Who? TOT.
Yeah.
What, as far as like put the call ratio?
No, I'm talking about look where it's at. We going to 94.
Is it still at 90?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. You said no news right at 9:30, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Duck everything out the way.
Yeah.
I'm not lying. What is this? CPI. It's an orange folder though. It happened at any second.
Yeah, so Top Step finally get some promo.
That's the same promo though. That's the same 20-25 code they giving out, bro.
Mm-hmm.
They need to do better.
Michael Pataki. Yo, card. Well, your boy, man. Tell him to give us. To give you.
Gold just hit. My bad, yo. Gold just hit 4,200, bro.
Wow, shit.
That shit is up almost a whole percent tonight. And then silver is up 1.2% already.
Huh. Insane.
Yeah.
We got China. What you mean? We got news.
Yeah, I just said China at 9:30. I lied.
Damn. Not playing with you. China CPI dropped, see?
It already came out?
Right now. 9:30.
Still pending. Here we go. 0.1 versus 0.0.
So year is up.
Yeah, negative 2.3, negative 2.3.
Year is up. Month over month is up. No, down.
Yeah, so it was hotter than expected for year over year.
Yeah. Whatever that means for China.
Yeah, whatever that means, right?
Yeah, that's why I say whatever that means for China.
Here we go. Here's the push.
So they're gonna push it till 10 o'clock and then
They take these high. They take these high. It's gonna keep going. There's nothing here. So you're probably gonna close this fair value gap. Um,
Yeah, man,
yeah,
RTY is still at it, bro.
it's gone.
Yeah, RT. So RTY don't. Their average overnight move is maybe 10 points. That shit's already up 8 points already.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
YM 60.
YM up 60. Yep.
Hmm.
But you know what? Now that I keep thinking about it, I gotta remember like RTY might continue to see its run because of what Powell said today. Like he basically kind of confirmed a rate cut coming in October. He confirmed they might be cutting off, or they might be stopping they balance sheet runoffs. All of that stuff is positive for the Russell and small cap stocks.
Yeah, QE. QE's coming.
I don't know about QE yet, but he said QT stopping, so that's almost saying the same thing as QE, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I mean,
If you ain't doing QT, you might as well be doing QE, right?
right. We close above negative gamma, right? On ES.
I don't know. I think at the end of the day, like sell off took it back into
Plus, okay.
to get back into negative. Let me see. Let me just see where SPY closed. So yeah, SPY closed right under the gamma flip.
Interesting.
But again, bro, like I keep saying, if you're looking at the weekly candle, all we have right now is an inside candle, bro. We haven't broke last week high or low. So it can rain, and the fact that Friday was such a big sell-off, I mean, that gives you a 3-4% range to just oscillate in. You know what I mean? And then with the VIX being up, you can see those 1-2% intraday moves, and you not even break a high or low.
Right. Go back and forth.
You know what I mean? Like that's wild. You like, damn.
Shit. Hey. With sauce.
Come on, man. He say Strat King said we staying inside week this week, and it's gonna be an inside up week next week. I like where you at, bro. I like where you at, bro. I like that. I can see that.
Striking.
I can see that. I like that.
Striking the bull train. I like it.
Yeah. Next week we're gonna have some better earnings next week too. We're gonna have goddamn Tesla. We're gonna have who else we gonna have next week? Let me go
What
see.
we got? Yeah.
I'm gonna go take a look.
Let me see.
Let me go take a look here. We're gonna have we got a lot of names.
Shit.
Netflix. So Netflix,
Aye.
ISRG. You're gonna have IBM. You're gonna have IBM, Tesla, Lam Research. You're gonna have you got Intel. It's a bunch for real. It's a bunch. So,
Yeah.
and then
Netflix.
that last week of October is when we get all the big dogs.
Fireworks.
Yeah, you got where they at? I don't even see
When
them.
Amazon report?
You said who?
Last week? Amazon.
Yeah, I think it's that last week. I'll tell you right now, on the 29th, definitely fireworks because you got Meta, Google, and Microsoft reporting that day. And then I think you have where's Amazon at? Apple reports on the 30th. So the day after. And then Amazon is, I think Amazon is that week too. I just don't see it. Where they at? Yeah, I don't see. Well, maybe let me see. Maybe they not that week. I would assume they was that week. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I think Amazon reported that last week too, bro.
Yeah, let's see. Should be here. It report on Thursday, the 23rd.
The 20.
Yeah, 23rd.
So then that might be the week. Oh, so that's the week before the fireworks week.
Man. Amazon, bro. Let's see. Okay.
Look at gold. Bro. I just can't keep my eyes off gold, bro. This shit is ridiculous, yo. It's like every time I look at it, that shit is higher. Oh, let's go. Jay say 7,000 in December. Let's go, Jay. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's go.
7,200. That's your number, right, Quadree? 72.
I'm gonna tell you like this, bro. We would not get 7,200 if we took out the quarterly lows that y'all mentioned earlier. That shit's dead.
Why not?
Because like you gotta understand, it would be so much structure broken at that point, bro. You not like it's not happening, yo. You take out that low, you not it's the trend is too broken at that point. You'd be lucky to get back to just getting back to 68, 6,900 at that point.
See,
you also gotta consider, Dre. We getting pretty close to where we only got 2 months left in the year, bro.
Yeah, I mean,
you know, the moves take some time, bro.
Hey, let me see. November, October. Boom. Let me see. Dang, 7%. Okay. Look at 20. Oh, the market could go 20%.
You said what?
Like on 2023, we dropped in October and we bounced 16% up. And 24 the same, we dropped and went up 10%. So let's say we drop.
Yeah, go all the way down to those quarterly lows, and then what's 10% get you back to?
10% get us to where we are right now.
See what I'm saying? You barely get you. That's 7,200 dead, bro.
And then we can bounce 11% to my ultimate target. I like that. Why not? Yeah, my nigga, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Why not? Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens.
Jay laughing. Facts, bro. You feel me? You can cancel 7,200.
It could be a mean ass week. Boom. and get it back. That's it. That's it. Nothing crazy. Where? Let me see.
Bruh.
Let me see something real quick. Where is my fancy indicator? I got you.
Man, this was a good 4 hours. This was a good little.
Oh, this shit. Damn. Shit fire as fuck.
Let's see what we do.
QQQ. Pop, pop. This is what we do.
Man, they got this thing up, bro. I wouldn't even be surprised if they. I wouldn't be surprised they do gap it up tomorrow because they love to gap over that damn daily 20.
Hmm. There you go. That's far as hell though. Nah, chill.
that's what I'm saying, Dre, bro. You like, bro.
Hmm.
And then for a big rally back, what is at the same time? I know it's possible, but you all
Yeah.
like Dre. You know this. You always got to add the other two elements. What the hell, fundamental or macro rise is going to have you fall that far and then bounce all the way back up? Because you got to have some justification to go with it, bro.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Hey.
Damn.
Damn. Yeah.
Unless you can, like, you know what? I get it to you. I tell you, the only justification I can see is Liberation Day Part 2.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to bring out the board again. I'm putting tariffs on all you ninjas. King Kong
10%.
ain't got nothing on me.
But we only dropped 5. Dang. That you think that's enough? 4%? Nah.
Again, when you gotta also remember when you have a 20% drop, that's what you get for the rest of the year. It's a very rare occurrence where you get a 20% drop and
All right, we're gonna do the chat. I'm gonna leave this right here. We're gonna come back to it in a couple of weeks. Where we at? We hit
that's what's
this
550. So 550.
Yeah, we hit 550. Let's see what happens. 550, 10% down from the top. Right now we are, and this we actually move, so it's gonna adjust. Right now we are looking at a 8% drop, pretty much from current price, from current close today.
So let me ask you this: if we get that, where does that put Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Google?
Yay! That'll be an ugly earning, bro. Let's go. I'm telling you, that lady said the market's only one earning away for a 20% drop. I never forget that day, bro. That lady said that.
Man, Dre, we don't listen to them folks, bro. Oh, damn well we don't listen to them.
This market's only one report away from a 20% drop. I'm like, oh shit.
I mean, at this point, you have to be trying to making this difficult.
You feel me? Like that's it. And you're right, Dre. I do believe that it could be one earnings report, but the earnings report that's going to do it or that's going to pop it off, Nvidia.
That's why
when Nvidia say they slowing down and ain't nobody, they not buying billions and billions of chips no more, or it's we oversaturated the market or whatever. That's when you get your 20% drop.
Hmm.
But if that AI demand is still pumping, bro,
It's on and popping. Yes.
never forget the goal, Dre. We aiming for 10,000 by 2030.
Oh no, that's coming. That's coming. Yeah, I know that. Hell yeah.
Never
I ain't
forget.
that big. I ain't that big. Hell
Never
no.
forget. We trying to get the 10,000 SPX by 2030, bro.
Yeah, that's coming. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
NBA is in the league. That's right. So we close.
Oh my God, bro. What the
I mean,
VIX doing after hours?
a
It's
Bix.
coming. The VIX futures is down.
Yeah.
That's really what I want to see. If that damn VIX get back on the 1816,
That's a different story.
you said what?
Yeah, we do that. That's a whole different ballgame there.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We get
But it's not
on the
open yet.
1816. The futures.
No, it is open. It's green.
Yeah, I
It's
was like,
just
it's open.
bullshit.
It just ain't doing much. Yeah,
It's
it's
just
just
bullshit.
stuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The expiration.
Mm.
Yeah. All right, fellas, we got 10 minutes before we wrap this up. Oh man.
Let's go.
Personally, I didn't trade. I didn't take a trade. I should have took this long at 8, but I missed it. Plus, I don't, I like to take my time when volatility is high.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna front when volatility is high. I wait for the move to really be happening, and then I just jump in and get like 5-6 points to be out of that joint. Because I know the range is big enough. Like I know I'm gonna get that 5-6 easy once the moves start going. Fuck it.
Yeah. I don't like that shot right there, Quadree.
I know.
I don't like that. That's another shot old boy was talking about today.
No, I was
Yeah. But nah, man.
say China consumer prices dropped more than expected in September, staying in deflationary territory.
Who said that?
Wouldn't that be
No,
that's a
Sweet.
good thing, right?
CNBC.
That's a
It came
good
out
thing, though,
6
right?
minutes ago when we started dropping. I mean, we started going negative. Not really bad though. So don't know. And after 10 o'clock, we see whether or not we're going false or not though.
Facts.
Yeah.
These last couple
Yeah,
of nights,
well,
10 o'clock is when shit gets popping.
right. Yeah, man.
And the way the volatility high, you're gonna get 10 points in 2 minutes on the ES.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as them candles open, bro, they don't waste no time with the move.
Hey.
Dre, you went what 1-for-1 tonight? That's all you took the one trade when we came in, right?
I took loans in 2 accounts. I got my big account and I taps the joint I'm working. I already passed it today.
Hey, how you doing with the other one joint? How you liking that one?
It's good. It's going. It's gonna
You still
be
on the 30-day drink though, right? Like in
yes,
the
yes,
okay.
yeah. I mean, like in my well, I did some bullshit, so I got a red day one, and I reset it.
Yeah,
But
you
I thought
told
I
us
was
about that.
gonna
You had to
okay,
you had to start over, yeah.
yeah, from
But now
my
you
big
should be on what, like day 7, 8,
9.
9?
Well,
Day
I
9?
didn't trade Thursday, Friday because I was in Puerto Rico.
That's right.
So,
So do they
but
count that against you Well, not necessarily
No,
counted
no.
against you, but it
No.
extends the.
It tends
Does it
the
extend
period.
to 30 active days or whatever? Okay.
Yes. Yeah. But now I could trade on my phone on that account.
On
So
that
I'm
account.
like,
Okay. What did
like, fuck.
they? You gotta.
I
What?
know because I Google it. Can I trade on my phone? This and then they say
Oh damn,
yeah.
they
So I
that
asked,
strict.
huh?
They that strict where you might not be able to even trade on your phone.
Yeah.
Damn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, they ain't playing no games.
Yeah.
Jay said once it holds under 200 SPX move on. He talking about the VIX. He said the VIX hold under 20. Look for 200 points.
Facts.
Woo, bro. That means that's 6,800. Give it to me.
Yes, sir.
Give it to me. Quadree, you took a trade tonight? Yeah, you took
Yeah.
You did what? NQ shorts?
Yep.
You got 5 contracts, nothing short, right?
Yeah.
Let's
Yes,
go,
sir.
baby. You up there, bro? Insta right there. Shit.
Sorry.
How many points was that? You only needed what, like 5-10 points for that move?
I think I took 17.
Damn.
Jeez.
That's good, bro.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got it mapped out. I'll post it later.
Yeah.
I'm going here. I'm done for you. Done for that in that account, right?
Today.
No, I'm gonna trade in the morning. I'm just gonna trade. I'm just gonna trade like 3 micros or something like that at the open.
Oh, okay.
No, I ain't about to pull it all back.
Mm-hmm.
I got another too.
Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna front. I'm gonna probably wake up London.
Hmm.
See what London cooking for tonight.
Yeah, you like your London trade. It's quick.
That and especially when it's high volatility, London is a lot better too.
It's directional. London is directional. London
Very
don't
much
do
so.
this up and down bullshit. They just whoop or down up. Either.
Yep. Clean
Yeah.
move too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very clean. So yeah, I probably
Yeah.
set my alarm, wake up about 2,
Mm-hmm.
and see if I can catch something during London.
For sure. Hey, y'all see my Patriots, baby? First play. What's up? We're talking like now. We
said
talking
who?
football.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Patriots. Wait a minute, y'all first place?
Yeah, they
Nigga, well, yeah.
4-2
Hell yeah.
against the Bills. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Damn, y'all a quiet 4-2 then.
Like,
Some
and we
weird-
lost to y'all on some BS, bro. We lost to the Steelers on some fumble situation over there.
Nah, bro. We just beat y'all, bro.
No.
We beat y'all. What you mean? Ain't no nah.
We beat-
Y'all got an L, son. I don't care if
We
we beat you
lost.
by a field goal or a touchdown. You got an L in the column, bro.
The guy dropped 2 fumble in the end zone, bro. Come
Hey,
on now. Stop.
You know, hey,
I
I'm
flaked,
sorry.
right?
Hey, look, man, get him some stick 'em. Tell him hold on to the ball.
Yeah, I'm waiting on the NBA season next week. So
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing to talk about.
Yeah, it's over for y'all Ravens, bro. Y'all, woo.
We gotta
Y'all
win.
got the injury bug though.
Yeah, we gotta win 9 games. And we probably gotta win 9 out of the next 11 games to even beat.
All right, Jay. We about to be out of here too, man. We got 4 minutes left.
Yeah.
So they still got us favored to win the division though.
Shit.
Man, my boys, I ain't gonna front. I was hating on Aaron Rodgers, and I still am.
I know. I told you. Why?
I still am.
Why?
I
He
still am.
good.
I don't.
Yeah,
I
it ain't
don't-
cool. It's not cold yet though. It's not cold.
Right. But
Yet.
you gotta give it to him. He played in Green Bay, so I don't think cold weather gonna really matter.
Listen.
But
DK
you know, I'm
make
still,
up in him.
Dre, I'm still hating on him, bro. I still don't like his ass. I don't care.
You gotta make do what you gotta do. You got y'all listen, y'all. This is a weird NFL year, bro. Like
It very is.
watch. The Falcons got beat 30-0 by the Panthers and then beat the Bills.
Yes.
You got the Panthers doing what they want against the Cowboys.
They play nice.
Then you got like it's a bunch of weird stuff. And nobody expected y'all to be 4-1.
Who?
The Steelers.
Why not,
4-1, no 4-1, bro.
bro. Our defense is like that.
4-1. We're not talking about defense. We're talking about.
I mean, all we had to
So you
listen
said so.
when it comes to the offense.
At
Listen
week
though,
1,
real
you
talk. When
said
it
y'all was
comes to the
gonna go
offense, here's the thing: we always just needed better quarterback play. So if Aaron Rodgers could be half the guy he was when he was in Green Bay, that's better than fucking Mason Rudolph and Kenny Pickett and Justin Fields. That's better than all the quarterbacks we have. And all of them quarterbacks, we managed to have winning records. So
Russell
the fact
Wilson.
that,
Oh my God.
right, Russell, like, you know what I'm saying? So my thing is, all we needed was better quarterback play. We got rid of the cancer called George Pickens, and so we good.
They're not Pickens balling out.
He's still a cancer.
DK bowling now too.
Yeah, DK balling. Yeah, I mean, we got rid of Najee Harris, and look what happened. I don't mean to wish no harm on nobody, but the nigga hurt he tore his Achilles.
Yeah, that's true.
He out for the season. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Jacksonville 4-2.
You know
that's surprising,
bro.
Yeah.
That's surprising.
The Colts 4-1, 5-1.
Daniel Jones out. Look, the
Like,
Giants is the Giants is not a good organization. Everybody leave the Giants and start doing something.
Bro, it's the New York area though.
Saquon said it. He said, "Bro, if you give that guy an O line, good, he's good."
Who Daniel Jones?
Talking about Daniel Saquon Barkley was talking about Daniel Jones last week. Like, bro,
wow.
He's nice. He's that guy.
But it's New York though. You gotta have tough skin to play up this way.
Yeah.
You know
what's the Jets record?
0-6.
0-7.
0-6. Look, you giving them extra L already. It's only been 6 weeks.
They play us next week, nigga. They losing, man.
That'd be the game, the trap game.
The trap game.
Ain't no trap
game. They ball out.
Jay said they ain't trapping nothing.
Had 300. He had 300 passing yards through the air, 4 touchdowns. No, listen, that'd be the game, bro.
Oh no,
the season.
No, they play the Browns.
So who's the team you said
that's to play currently?
Or you said who back?
They back. The Chief.
No. Who was you saying who back? Who?
The Chief. They're back, bro.
Nah, what's their record?
Nigga, they popping.
Hold on.
3-3? No. No, 3-3.
These is 3-3, bro. Because they would have lost on Sunday. It would be 2-4.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but
my D.
Freaking, they got the quarterback, bro. They getting this guy back, Ray Rice. He's back tomorrow.
Yeah. That's me, Rasheed Rice.
They got Ray Rice. Rasheed Rice.
Man said Ray Rice.
Rasheed Rice.
Yeah.
They got I mean, what's the other Hollywood? No,
Hollywood Brown.
Yeah, he's
Hollywood Brown.
And now freaking they got a new guy, Smith. This catback. He's nice, bro. The little guy on the back. He been used to.
Yeah.
And now Kelsey and that defense they won, bro. I mean, I don't like the dude. I don't like Patrick Mahomes, but shit.
Now, real quick before we go though, y'all see Juju get beat up?
Yeah, he got beat up, bro.
Oh yeah, he got.
I ain't never like they say. I ain't never meet. No, he flopped like it was during the game, bro. You post at that point, you gotta stand or something, bro. All that
TikTok. Ryan Clark posted the photo like, bro, you cannot. He was like, you can't let this live on the internet,
bro. No, I screenshot all that, bro. I got the close-ups and everything, bro. Because this kid,
my man's nose was bleeding there, like he really got beat up, bro.
Yeah, bro. Hold on,
you got Leon Brown was.
Look at him. Look, I got screenshots.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's not a good look, bro.
Nah,
that's bad. But we are wrapping it up this evening, man. For till tomorrow at 7:15. Let's see how tomorrow goes, fellas. Probably another inside day with a lot of intraday volatility.
Listen, bro. I want to.
We got a run a Zoom call tomorrow, right?
Yeah, in the morning.
So,
and in the evening. Oh, yeah, you're right. In the evening. You're right, too. You're right. So we'll be back Thursday then.
Okay.
So we'll be back Thursday then. We'll do Thursday then. No, you're right. You're right. But fellas, y'all got anything before we bounce?
I'm a bear, so don't listen to me right now.
Yeah, I want.
If you in that boom
No,
on,
don't say you a listen, Dre. Don't say you a bear. We just about you a seller. That's it.
yeah, I'm a seller right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
You're
I'm gonna
not
sell.
because you're not really a bear. You just a seller right now. That's all.
I'm a seller right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell it right now too. So
Yeah, I see you,
I'm
Larry.
neutral, bro. I'm neutral. I'm not a seller. I ain't necessarily a buyer, but I'm just chilling.
But
Just chilling,
that's
man.
good.
Taking it easy. So
Let's see
all
this
right,
earning
people.
season give us.
Right, that's right. Right.
Yeah.
All right, people. We'll see y'all tomorrow, or I mean Thursday, 7:15. Take it easy. I like that we'll have him on Thursday because we could talk about ASML and TSM earnings. They'll both be out. So
yeah,
that'll
I
be
think true telling too. Yeah.
that's gonna be a good
That's
look. So bet.
hell yeah.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good evening. We out of here.
All right, peace.
Let's go. Peace out.